Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Helping Gang. So today I'm gonna show you the hacker rank into questions that were asked by the Amazon. So the date this was happened was like 9th of Feb 2021, and it is mainly useful for the candidates like who have like having more than 5 years of experience and who are in the basically in the development profile. So it is basically for them. So basically Amazon tries to judge you based on the how good you are in the algorithms and stuff. So this was the first question. So basically they asked two questions, and the the time that they gave for these two questions, it's like total four questions, out of which like there were two and which I was able to figure it out, and they have given total time of 1 hour and 44 minutes. So the very first question, which is like the swapping algorithm. So as you can see in the screen, they are saying they basically what you have to do, you have been given a kind of code and some scenario where you have to swap the numbers, like the first index and the second index, and trying to figure out which one is like shorter or larger, and then do a swap and then go on the next elements like that. So this question, let me move to the next part. So yeah, as you can see in this example, they are saying initial array is this, and then in during the first pick, they pick the five one and then swaps it to produce something like this. So yeah, this is basically all about function description that they are telling with the example. And what they want from you is basically a method you have to write, like how many swaps. So this method should be able to tell like how many swaps are required to get the desired output. So for example, over here they are saying the number of swap performed is 4 to sort the whole thing. And yeah, I think this is the last part where they are just putting some constraint. And this question is like I just kind of figured it out, like a similar question matching to this. I found it on the Greek for Greeks. Let me show you that as well. So if you go here, yeah, so this is the question which I found pretty much same as the one which has been given by the Amazon. So here also we are just trying to figure out how many number of steps required to sort an array. And if you just go through this, you'll be able to figure out. So they have given a solution in Java, Python, C++. So whatever part you're comfortable, you can choose that. So basically what matters is the logic which have been given over here. Now let me move to my next question. So the next question was related to the robot. So here, basically, as you can see, they are saying there's an Amazon Summit, and the robotics team wants to demonstrate how to use their latest robot. And these are a couple of instructions like G to move forward, L maybe left side, R for right side, and like that. Basically, just the construction. Let me move to the next part. So yeah, so here they are giving little bit more detail about the question, like consider the commands RNG executed infinitely. So basically you have to come basically execute this infinite number of time, and you have to form a method like does circle exist. And yeah, I think this is the last part. Does circle exist has the following parameters, and these are the constraint. So even this question I found pretty much same as one of the question on the Greek for Greeks. So you can have a look and just do a comparison. So if you can see, there was a question on Greek for Greeks, like check if a given sequence of moves, so if a robot is circular or not. So this I find pretty much same. You can just do a comparison. We are just kind of giving some sequence and trying to figure out that sequence is circular or not. And there are a couple of constraints, there are a couple of solutions which have been given here in the four languages. So I think that's it, friend. Keep watching, and just do a comment and share the video so that it so that I can create a few more videos in the upcoming time. Thanks, guys.